Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to slow down audio in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to select the audio you want to work with. At the top of the interface, click on the selection tool. This tool allows you to choose specific portions of your audio track. You can either click and drag across the section you want to slow down, or if you want to affect the entire track, simply double-click anywhere on the audio waveform to select it all. Now that your audio is selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This opens up Audacity's extensive collection of audio manipulation tools. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo, then select Change Tempo from the submenu. This particular effect is perfect when you want to slow down audio while maintaining the original pitch, which keeps voices and instruments sounding natural. In the Change Tempo window, look for the % change field. Here you have two options for adjusting your audio speed. You can either enter an exact number directly into the text field or use the slider below to adjust the tempo more visually. Let me explain how the numbers work. For example, when you enter -10, your audio will become slightly slower. If you enter -20, it'll be noticeably slower, and if you enter -50, it will reduce the speed to half of the original. The negative values are key here because they indicate a decrease in tempo. Before committing to these changes, click the Preview button. This allows you to hear how your adjusted audio will sound without permanently applying the effect. Feel free to adjust the % change until you find the speed that works best for your project. If it sounds good to you, click Apply to make the changes permanent. Now, there's another method you can use for slowing down audio in Audacity. Click Effect again in the top toolbar, hover your mouse over Pitch and Tempo, and this time select Change Speed and Pitch. This effect gives you slightly different control options and also affects the pitch of your audio, which creates a different sound quality compared to Change Tempo. In this window, look for the Speed Multiplier field. This works on a different scale. If you enter 1.00, that's normal speed. If you enter 0.90, your audio will play 10% slower. And if you enter 0.50, it'll play at half speed. Right beside this field, you'll see the % change option, which works the same way as before. If you enter -10, you get 10% slower, -20 gives you 20% slower, and -50 results in 50% slower playback. Enter your preferred option based on what you're trying to achieve with your audio. Click Preview to hear how it sounds, and feel free to adjust the values until you're satisfied with the result. If it sounds good, click Apply to finalize the changes. And there you have it. You now know two different ways to slow down audio in Audacity, giving you flexibility depending on whether you want to preserve the original pitch or create a different effect. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.